Acer SB220Q by 21.5 inches Full HD, 1920x1080, IPS ultra-thin zero-frame monitor, HDMI and VGA port black. 21.5 inches Full HD, 1920x1080, widescreen IPS display. And Radeon FreeSync technology. No compatibility for VESA Mount. Refresh rate, 75 Hz, using HDMI port. Zero-frame design ultra-thin 4 milliseconds response time IPS panel. Ports, 1x HDMI and 1x VGA. Aspect ratio 16:9. Color supported 16. 7 million colors. Brightness 250 nit. Tilt angle -5 degree to 15 degree. Horizontal viewing angle 178 degree. Vertical viewing angle 178 degree. 75 Hz. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.